Imagine this, clicking on a YouTube video, watching it for 30 seconds, and getting paid for doing just that. Believe it or not, you can earn up to $75 by doing this simple task. I'm so excited to be sharing this information with you. We're going to discuss 5 fantastic websites that's going to pay you by simply watching YouTube videos. Some of these websites will allow you to earn around $18 per hour, and if you decide to work on more than one site, let's say 3 websites, you're going to be able to maximize your earnings. You need not worry because all the sites we're going to discuss today is 100% legitimate and it's not going to cost you a dime to join. Make sure to stay around to the end of the video because I'm going to give you some bonus tips that will allow you to double or even triple the money you can make compared to others. Now, before we get into the video, make sure to subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell. This is going to allow you to stay current with all future videos and recommendations that we may have about working from home and making money online. First things first, you will need a YouTube account to get started. Once you have one, you're going to go to the search bar and type a keyword. For example, winter travel. When you put this information into the search engine, you will find tons of videos that you can watch. I'm going to show you 5 websites that will allow you to make money online by simply watching YouTube videos like this one. Please make sure to stay tuned so that you can learn exactly how this works. The 5 websites that I'm going to share with you are being used by so many people around the world to earn a full-time living. I will be revealing these websites in this video, so please keep on watching. There are a few different ways that you can earn from these websites, and one is to complete surveys. But more importantly, as we discussed, you can also watch videos and get paid. And yes, some of these websites have already paid people from all over the world. Start off by making a free account. All you have to do is click on this button right here, and then you're going to come to this page where you'll sign up for free. Enter a valid email address, confirm it in your email, and then you're going to create a password. After that, you have to come up with a username, fill up information about yourself like your gender, date of birth, and the country you are in. As you can see, they are accepting people from all parts of the world, so you don't have to worry about where you're from. The next thing you're going to do is select how you heard about them. You can just put in YouTube for this part. Next, you will need to confirm that you are not a robot, and once you're done, read the privacy policy and also the terms and conditions, and that's it. You have just registered for a free account. Now you can start watching simple YouTube videos and get paid by doing so. Some of these videos are going to be 30 seconds long and some 60 seconds long. 30-second videos are of course going to pay you less, while 60-second videos are going to pay you more. The good news is you can go in and mute the video and allow it to play in the background. You do not need to actively watch these videos to get paid. I also recommend opening up multiple tabs in order to watch multiple videos simultaneously, which is going to allow you to earn more money in a lesser amount of time. Now, let me give you another tip. You can use your phone and your computer at the same time to watch more videos. This is definitely going to speed up your earnings. Here's another tip on YouTube that's going to allow you to watch each video faster. Under the gear settings, what you will need to do is click on this button under the playback speed that will let you speed up every video just by double clicking on 2 times the speed. Trust me, this will save you a lot of time. Doing this will cut your time in half, as it will only take you 15 seconds to watch a 30-second video. The next tip that I'm going to share with you can save your data connection, especially if your internet is slow. You will have to put your video at a much lower quality for this to happen. As you can see, by default, it should be auto, but what you can do is click on the gear button, tick on quality, and choose 144p. As promised, I'll be revealing the websites that will help you make money online. One of those websites is called ucubes.com. This website will allow you to get paid by just simply watching YouTube videos. Another website where you can make an additional income by watching videos is called bucksinside.com. What I love about this website is that it allows you to watch much shorter clips, just 10 seconds, and you will already get paid. Another great thing about it is that you can cash out instantly. You only need $2 in your account and you'll be able to withdraw money from the website. This company is accepting folks from all over the world and is growing every single day. Not only that, they are also extremely transparent about every single payment that they send out to members. As you can see here, they list the usernames and the country where these people are from. Please comment down below if you see the flag of your country. Not only that, this company has different payment methods so users can choose the most convenient way to cash out their money. Make sure to continue watching till the end because I have yet to share the other websites where you can start earning just by watching YouTube videos. Moving right on to the third website, we're going to go to Fusioncash.net. This site is going to give you $5 just for signing up. And again, it is 100% free to sign up for an account. First, click on the button where it says Get $5. From here, you need to put in your username, a valid email address, and a password. After confirming your password, type in the zip code of your country and then click on the Register button. Make sure to confirm your email address by checking your email inbox for your verification link. If you do not see this link, please make sure to always check your spam folder. After signing up, you'll be able to watch different videos and start making money. You can also complete different tasks like downloading different mobile apps or just simply playing games. Now, if you know of anyone else that would love to get paid using this website, they have a referral program. So make sure to share the information with your friends and family so that they can earn too. Okay, let's move on to the next website. The name of this website is called irazoo.com. This is another great legitimate company where you can earn free gift cards in cash. They have also paid out tons of cash prizes to their current members. On their website, you will see that they have been featured in Yahoo, CNN, The Penny Harder, and even on the Wall Street Journal. So, let's get into how this is going to work. You can join this website at absolutely no cost and start watching videos to earn points. Once you have earned a certain amount of points, you will be able to convert them into actual cash, including prizes and PayPal cash. You will get paid for watching videos online, and you also get to earn points consistently when you do so. What you're gonna need to do is click on this button to get started. This is going to take you to a page where you can join with your Facebook account. If you don't want to, you can put in your email address, first and last name, and a password to create a free account. Now, once you sign into your account, you're going to see a dashboard. Here's some good news. You'll earn free points just by setting up your profile. You'll just have to answer a few questions. You will have to verify your email address and then upload your profile image. And this is going to allow you to earn some additional free points as well. Now, when you click on the button that says Reward Store, you can now choose your country. If you are coming from the US, you will be able to click on this button. If you're from Canada, you can click on this button. If you're coming from any other country, all you need to do is just click on this where it says Any Country. Take note, the only way you will be able to cash out on this website is through PayPal. Now, let's move on to the next website. The name of this website is called App Nana. This app is available to download both on iOS and Android phones. So as an example, if you're using Android, go to Google Play Store and search for the App Nana free gift card. Now what you will need to do is look for the logo that looks like this. This is how you're going to earn gift cards and cash just by simply watching videos. So again, this is a free app where you can actually watch different videos, earn points, and then convert them into gift cards or cash. As you can see, there are hundreds of thousands of people leaving reviews, and a lot have given 4 stars for this app. That's definitely proof that this is a completely legitimate app. If this seemed a bit difficult, no worries because I will be uploading different make money from home online opportunities daily. There will be others that would be much easier to complete, so make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you are updated every time I drop a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.